Welcome to West Hardin Middle School's 24-25 Open House. I'm Kristen Swords, principal at West Hardin Middle School. We are so excited about this upcoming year and tonight's events. We have our 6th grade families coming in for the first time. Our students are going to be getting tours of the building, doing some team building activities, and really getting to know their peers. And then we have an informational session planned for our parents as well. This is a great opportunity for our students to come in, get to know their teachers, the layout of the building, and we're really excited to see all of our Laker families. Later tonight, we also have our returning 7th and 8th grade families. We're super excited about what this year has in store. We have a lot of great activities planned. We have a new class that we're offering to our 8th graders, and we are just excited about 24-25.
Well, I'm Mike Robinson. I'm one of the assistant principals here at West, and what I'm excited about most this year is, obviously getting the new students coming in. We're excited to have them from the feeder schools, as well as our returning 7th and 8th graders and anybody who might be transferring from another district. I'm one of the assistant principals, and myself along with Ms. Shear, we help support the teachers and support the kids however we can. I'm the point person for our work ethic certification. I share responsibility with her with our PBIS program, and I'm also our volunteer coordinator. We're always looking, especially after the pandemic, for a way to get parents and guardians and family members involved in what we're doing here at the school. We're really excited about the year, and we hope it goes well.
My name is Lauren Foster, and I'm the Youth Service Center Coordinator at West Hardin Middle School, and I am in charge of our 6th grade Laker Fun Day. So the first half of tonight, our students will get to meet each other, do some team building activities, also do a building tour and a scavenger hunt, while our parents get to learn a little more about our extracurriculars and clubs that we offer. And our parents will also get to hear from Ms. Swords, our principal, just a little bit about West Hardin. And then the second half of the night, they will get to do a traditional open house where they get to meet their teachers, get their schedules, and all that stuff. So it should be pretty fun.
I'm Mr. Robinson. I'm the band director here at West Hardin Middle School. And my table is all about getting kids to join band. Band is an incredible opportunity for students. It's going to help your self-esteem. It's going to help you make friends. It's going to be a lot of fun. So right now I'm just wanting to get as many people involved in band as possible.
My name is Kinsley Hughes, and this is Haley Nally. Our table is for Beta Club at West Hardin. We offer the students an opportunity to experience more things with the community and help out the community for West Hardin.
I'm Chastity Meredith, and I'm the nurse for West Hardin Middle School. We offer Healthy Kid visits. If your kid is sick at school or has an injury or anything like that, we can help them. If they have daily meds, we can help them with that as well. We can also offer provider visits to your students, where a provider can come and visit with them.
Hi, my name is Sabrina McIntosh, and I'm a West Hardin Laker cheerleader. You should definitely join the West Hardin Laker cheerleader cheer team because it is a really inspirational sport, and it really throws off the school pride, and for that I am very grateful that I have decided to join the team.
Hi, I'm Presley Bland, and I'm also a Laker cheerleader. And Cheer for West is just really inclusive, and it helps everybody get to know each other better, so that way you don't feel left out in any way, shape, or form.
Hi, I'm Kirsten Lindsay. I'm also a Lakers cheerleader, and practices are Mondays and Thursdays, and tryouts will be in spring.
I think that y'all should play West Hardin basketball because it's a really fun opportunity to get to know people in your school and have a great time while playing something in a sport that you love.
I think what I really like here at West Hardin about basketball is that it gets me out and it gets me going, and it keeps me out of a lot of things that most teenagers get into. And our coach here, Jessica Pickrell, she's a really great lady. She got me into Central Hardin basketball, coached me, and made me just a better player in general, encouraged me to do my best at all times. And I feel like I truly appreciate her for that. And here at basketball, at West Hardin, basketball is really great because it's honestly just a great sport to be out doing and being around players and teamwork and just showing more success with your teammates, and winning or losing together, you come together as a team at the end of the day, and it's just really fun. What I like here about basketball at West Hardin is I feel like I'm really a part of a team. I'm friends with all my teammates, and win or lose, we all come together at the end of a game and congratulate each other about how well we're doing. And it's a really great sport and a really great team, and yeah.
We would like to thank all of our families that came out to the open house tonight, as well as our community partners that came out. We have a lot to offer within our community, and we're glad that our parents came out to learn more about the school and to help their students be successful this school year.